When we were looking to build a conservatory, when we bought this house, we went to the internet and looked at a few options, and we came across Abbey Windows, and we got Abbey Windows to come in here, and then we got the project started from there. Well, with this new extension, what we have now is a bigger extension of the living room. The installation process was about 2 weeks in all. And we have created a bar counter next to this conservatory that works really well, hopefully during the summer or spring, where you can entertain. We are really happy that we got onto this project. When we went through the system with Abbey Windows, what we were very much assured was the structural strength of the building and as well as the security of the system that was provided. I would definitely recommend Abbey Windows to all my friends and to anyone that is looking to build a conservatory in the future, because Abbey Windows does provide the best service. Lastly, I would like to congratulate James Stewart from Abbey Windows. The help and the advice he provided during the construction of this conservatory was invaluable, and it was because of him I think we executed this project really well. So thank you again, James.